teeth is so much fun. Brushing your teeth has just begun. You can brush your teeth in the morning or night. You can brush your teeth whenever you like. You can do anything with brushing your teeth. I'll tell you the steps. Brush 1, put the water on. Brush 2, put the toothpaste on. Brush 3, put it in your mouth and brush your teeth every day and every night. You can do it every day or every night. You like to brush your teeth in the morning or night. Brushing your teeth is so much fun. Brushing your teeth has just begun. You can brush your teeth whenever you want. If you like brushing your teeth, maybe you can tooth party. Maybe you have tooth party.